The last speaker for the day, Eapen Jacob, Analyst, ARC Advisory Group, India. His focus is primarily on smart buildings and cities. He has done his BCom and MBA Finance. Please welcome him on stage.
Good evening, all. Thank you, Arnab and Jyoti, for that excellent speech on smart city. So first of all, I would like to define what is a smart city. A city can be defined as smart when social capital, traditional, and modern communication infrastructure fuel sustainable economic development and high quality of life. So there are 6 major pillars for development of a smart city, which is smart living, smart environment, smart mobility, smart society, smart economy, and smart government. So today I'll be discussing about smart mobility. So for building a smart mobility, we need to follow the infrastructure. There are 4 phases which are required for an infrastructure development. First is brick and steel infrastructure. Next is semi-automated infrastructure, intelligent infrastructure, and fully integrated and intelligent infrastructure. We are on the path of moving into a fully integrated and intelligent infrastructure. So now, what is the smart mobility? As per ARC, smart mobility is a technology supporting transport infrastructure and services for all passengers and freight, thereby reducing impact towards environment such as better chain or mobility management, infrastructure and service optimization, and user behavior changes. So what are the benefits of smart mobility, which is efficient operation of the smart city, reducing environmental impact, user facilitation and behavior changes in transport infrastructure and services, safe and secure transport achievement, rational maintenance and operational cost. So now we are going to discuss about the smart mobility pillars. What are the pillars which are required to build a smart mobility? So the first is urban planning, which includes smart planning. Second is system design, management and operation, which includes technology and urban infrastructure and smart sensing and computing. The third is outcome and impact, which includes smart travel behavior and smart performance. I'll be explaining what all is included in each pillars in the coming slides. So first, urban planning or smart planning is an integrated development and spatial planning, provide app transport and traffic management, and thereby enhances public safety. So some of the examples which I can give for smart city planning is adaptive signal control, automobile sharing, bicycle sharing system, walking and cycling facility. Coming to the next phase, the second phase, which is system design, management and operation, it includes 2 factors, which is technology and urban infrastructure and smart sensing. Technology and urban infrastructure factor includes automation of smart city, provide real-time information to people for better travel information and advanced control methods. For some of the examples for technologies and urban infrastructure will be autonomous self-driving vehicle, real-time information in buses and trains, electrical vehicle charging infrastructure, and speed map and journey time in signboards. Moving further on the second pillar itself, the smart sensing. Smart sensing, which is collecting stationary and mobile data with the help of Wi-Fi signals, cellular signals, smartphone, CCTV, wireless sensors, traffic detectors, and vehicle tracking device. So these data which are collected are run through a data analytics software to provide efficient and effective operation of smart mobility. Next phase, the third phase, which is outcome and impact. That the first will be smart travel behavior. The smart travel behavior should be data-driven in short term, technology-driven in medium term, and infrastructure-driven in long term. So I'll be discussing what are the factors in next slide, couple of slides. Next is smart performance. Smart performance means is the final stage where people in city commute most efficiently, reliably, and safer, thereby reducing carbon footprints. For example, vehicle-to-vehicle communication technology, smart vehicle, and managing of uncertainty and disruptive conditions. So once the 3 phases are developed in smart mobility, it is expected to go to more flexible and multi-modal transport system. So now we follow as a mono-modal transport system. For example, If we are traveling to our office every day, we'll be using one. If you use Google Maps to search the location to your office, it will show just your driving car, 30 minutes it will take to your office. So we'll be using only one mode of transportation. Instead of that, when all the phases of smart mobility are connected, then it is a multi-modal transport system where you can use either the train or a carpool system, and also walk down to your office. So when you operate a smartphone, early morning you want to go to office, you check your smartphone, and it says you can reach your office faster if you take a metro first, from there carpooling, then walk down to your office. So this will be the advice which is given by a smart mobile or a system. So technology will help you to commute faster and efficiently. So I would like to discuss one more example of the same thing. For example, I need to visit some of my friends down the city. Before starting, I use a smartphone to calculate the best route and book the ticket. The system books you entire ticket in different modes. First, smartphone suggests me to use a bicycle sharing to reach the station, where you get real-time data of train delays or other information. After reaching the station, smartphone has already booked me an car sharing to visit the friend's place, and while going back, the smartphone will suggest me to use e-car to reach to the nearest bus stop. On the way, interactive displays in the electric vehicle will show me information such as maximum speed limit, road signs, and etc. After you return to your home, you will get a bill for the services. So this is how a dashboard will look for multi-modal transportation system, which will show your mode of the chosen mode of transportation you have taken, the starting point, where you land, what all mode of transportation you have taken, the journey, then it books your journey, then you make a payment for it, then it guides you around the transportation system, which all you need to use. So opportunities for the future. More time for important things in life by spending less time in traffic, flexibility to use the best fitting transport mode, safer transport system, lower cost for individual and society, better utilization of transport asset, lower consumption of resources such as land and fuels. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.